Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Agent Memory Management, giving your AI a long-term brain that remembers. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions but helps you do things, like booking a trip or managing your calendar. This is an AI agent. But what happens when you've been chatting with it for a while? Does it remember your preferences from last week? Or even last hour? Just like a human, an AI agent needs memory to be truly helpful and smart. As a developer, giving your AI memory is key to building complex, interactive applications. When you chat with an AI, it remembers what you just said. We call this its short-term memory, or context window. Think of it like a small sticky note or a whiteboard that's constantly being erased and rewritten. For a developer, this means the AI can only see and process a limited amount of recent text from the current conversation at any given time. Anything older than that limit gets pushed off and forgotten to make space for new input. Here's the catch. That sticky note or whiteboard has very limited space. If your conversation goes on too long, or if you need the AI to recall something important from last week, your AI agent will completely forget it. It can't recall past preferences, previous decisions, or long-term goals. From a developer's standpoint, building complex, personalized, and truly intelligent AI experiences is impossible if your AI has amnesia every few minutes. To make our AI agents truly intelligent and remember everything, we give them long-term memory. Instead of a sticky note, imagine giving your AI access to a super organized library or a detailed personal journal that grows over time. This isn't just about remembering the last few sentences. It's about storing all relevant information indefinitely and being able to find it instantly, whenever needed. This is where your AI goes from a simple chatbot to a true assistant. As developers, how do we build this library? When important information comes up in a conversation, or from external documents, we don't just put it on a sticky note. We convert it into a special, searchable format called an embedding or vector, and store it in a specialized database, often a vector database. When the AI needs to remember something specific, it searches this library, finds the most relevant books, pieces of information, and brings them back to its short-term memory to help formulate an accurate, informed response. This technique is known as Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. From a developer's perspective, implementing long-term memory involves a few core steps in your application logic. 1. Identify key information. Decide what needs to be remembered. User preferences, past actions, key facts from documents. 2. Embed and store. Convert this information into numerical vectors using an embedding model and save it in a vector database, e.g., Pinecone, Weaviate, ChromaDB. 3. Retrieve on demand. When the AI needs context for a new query, your application queries the vector database to find the most relevant memories. 4. Integrate with AI. Feed these retrieved memories back into the AI's short-term context alongside the new user query, so it can use them to formulate intelligent, informed responses. With long-term memory, your AI agent transforms. It goes from being a forgetful chatbot to a highly capable assistant. You can now build AI applications that personalize experiences by remembering user preferences, past interactions, or specific details across sessions. Solve complex problems by breaking down tasks over time, remembering previous steps, decisions, and outcomes. Become a knowledge expert by accessing and synthesizing vast amounts of information that wouldn't fit in short-term memory. This unlocks a new generation of truly smart, helpful, and persistent AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.